Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about letters. Letters help us create words. Let's see our first letter. This is a letter A. What words start with the letter A? Let's find out. Can you find the word that starts with A? That's right. Apple starts with A. Here is the letter B. Can you find a word that begins with B? Yes, ball and book start with B. Great job! Now, let's look at the letter C. What words can we find? Which words start with C? Yes! Cat and carrot start with C. Amazing work! Here's the letter D. What words can we find with D? Can you find the words that begin with D? That's right. Duck starts with D. Now let's learn about the letter E. What words start with E? Can you find the words that start with E? Great job! Egg starts with E. Here's the letter F. What words begins with F? Can you find the words that starts with F? Yes! Frog starts with F. Wow! Today we learned about A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now look around you and find things that start with these letters.